Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took oath in Lok Sabha as Member of Parliament from Raebareli on Tuesday with a copy of Constitution in his hand. He was part of the remaining MPs who took their oaths today after a total of 262 newly elected MPs, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, did so on Monday.
I, Rahul Gandhi, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan.
Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi and party's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vatra had also arrived at Parliament for Rahul's oath-taking ceremony. Besides Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Mahua Moitra, Supriya Sule and Kani Mozi are some of the key leaders of the opposition India bloc who are taking oath on the second day of the 18th Lok Sabha. Rahul Gandhi won from both Raebareli and Wayanad Lok Sabha constituencies in the recently concluded Lok Sabha polls, while Rahul Gandhi also won a margin of 3,64,422 votes from Wayanad, defeating Communist Party of India's Anni Raja. In Raebareli, he won with a margin of 3,90,030 votes from Raebareli, defeating Bharatiya Janata Party's Dinesh Pratap Singh. After Rahul Gandhi announced that he would resign as MP from Wayanad and will keep the Raebareli constituency, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge announced Priyanka Gandhi's candidature from Wayanad last week. If Priyanka Gandhi wins from Wayanad, 3 members of the Nehru Gandhi family will be in the parliament, with Sonia Gandhi in Rajya Sabha and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi in the Lok Sabha. Meanwhile, efforts by the BJP's top leadership to reach a consensus on the Lok Sabha Speaker of 18th House came to naught when India bloc decided to nominate 8-time MP K. Suresh for the post. His nomination followed the filing of nomination by BJP's Kota MP Om Birla for the same position. Birla previously served as the Speaker in the 17th Lok Sabha. This will be for the first time that elections will be held for Speaker of the lower house, as traditionally the Lok Sabha Speaker and Deputy Speaker have been elected by the consensus between the ruling party and the opposition. Earlier, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that they had informed Rajnath Singh that the opposition is prepared to support the NDA Speaker candidate on the condition that the Deputy Speaker position is given to the opposition. However, it did not reach any consensus, and on June 26, election for the first time will be held for the post of Lok Sabha Speaker. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.